strong enough. Bombs light up the sky. This fear in your eyes, I'll be your armor. I remember yesterday, you and I were unafraid. You held my hand through the fire. We will fight and we will reign through the...
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a beautiful day here in central Iowa. The sun is finally coming out. Been pretty cloudy most of the day, but sun's coming out. Sky's breaking up. Right now it's, I don't know, upper 70s, almost 80. Low humidity. Buddy's enjoying himself out there. But today what I want to do is I want to break into this box down here. This here box that I got from Rock Auto, that I ordered all the clutch components from. It's supposed to have a new pilot bearing and all these parts, and that's what I haven't even got all the stuff out of that. There's still a whole bunch in there. That thing's shot. It's supposed to have a new flywheel in there too. So let's get into that. I'm just going to open it up, see what we have. I want to make sure I have all the right stuff. I'm not doing any work on this today. I have other things to do. Had this for about 5 days, and we were taking down trees and doing all kinds of other stuff. So I just haven't had time to do it. So let's get into it. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed here, holding the camera and cutting it open at the same time. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I don't know if I can open that or not. Should be able to get it open now. There we go. No, maybe not. Okay, so we got the, not sure what this is. Hold on. Okay, according to that sheet up there, if you're wondering why this shirt's here, that's what I wear. I put that on when I get under the truck. I get filthy dirty, so I put that on, and it's just a working shirt. But according to that, it looks like I got everything I need. And right there, it looks like I think it's pronounced LUK, the whole clutch kit. They always send you a magnet, but let's get that out and see what we have. Alright, so we'll pull this out of here. I'm just going to set it over here. We're just going to take a look at what we have here. Looks like everything is well packaged. Okay, so in here, this is the flywheel. What does that say? Where's my flashlight? Flashlight. I always lose that darn thing. Okay, engineered in USA. Does that mean it was made in USA? But here's the new flywheel. Boy, it's heavy. Holy cow. She looks a little bit better than, I had the camera sitting on that. A little bit better than that one. So, I don't know, it says engineered in USA. I don't know if it was actually made in USA or not, but gosh, it's heavy, I can tell you that. I think it's heavier than this one. Well, maybe not. Yeah, I don't think so. It's about the same. Alright, so we've got that. I'm going to close this back up. I'm not actually going to do any work on the truck today, but get this closed back up. I'm going to put everything back in the box. Okay, what else we have here? Okay, and then we've got this box. It looks like that's all there is. And inside of this box we have more bubble wrap, cardboard. Okay, so make sure we have everything we need. Got this guy. Alright, there's the throwout bearing. Oh, that feels a lot better than the one that I have. A lot better than the one I have sitting up here. Although to me, it doesn't look quite as durable, but this one wobbles around. And you know what? This one does too. Huh. I'm not sure what that is. But at any rate, I can tell this has got a lot more grease or something. You can't just sit here and spin it like this one. And this, evidently, unless this comes off, isn't steel because magnet won't stick to it. And that's a pretty strong magnet. I'm not sure what unless they have it. Well, that's the way it is, I guess. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Of course, this one's 30 years old, but this whole piece spins. And on this one, this is not not steel. It's not metal. And this whole piece is connected. The only thing that turns is this little disc out here. So not quite the same, but hope it works okay. It's kind of weird. Not sure what the deal is. I mean, this one wobbles, and if I could spin this one really fast, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it kind of does the same thing. Interesting. Anyway, that's gonna be going in. All right, so we've got those two. And the clutch disc here. See how it compares to the other one. Let's see, we'll put them up here just like that. Yeah, this didn't have a lot of life left in it, but it was still okay. But pretty sure this one's gonna work out better. Although the material around the outside, it's not, don't have quite as much. Talking about this, get a tape measure here. This one measures, it's not 2 inches, it's about inch and what, 7 inch and 7/8 or something like that. And this one is, it's actually, this sticks out farther than this. Yeah, let's inch. Hard to tell here. Let's do it this way. 1.5 inch-ish. I don't know. It says it's the right thing, so that's what I got. Yeah, spline lubricant is what that is. Pilot bearing, just the locator tool. So yeah, it looks like we got everything we're supposed to get. Hope this works like it's supposed to. I wish it was the same thickness as this, but is what it is. But yeah, these are a lot deeper than the ones over here. I mean, this doesn't feel like it's worn out. Actually, maybe halfway worn out, but we're putting a new one in. And these guys look pretty much identical. So I think we've at least got the right thing. Except these bolt holes. Okay, maybe I don't have it situated quite right. Hold on. Yeah, I think everything's okay here. Let's look at the other side of this guy. Nice and brand new. I'm gonna dump out a bunch of mouse stuff here, but okay, that's how that one looks. You can see some score marks on here. Looks like she got pretty hot right there, and here, and here. So yeah, putting all new back on. That's a good thing. Where is the? I was supposed to get a rear main seal. Where's it at? I don't see the rear main seal anywhere. Wait, oh, there it is. New rear main seal right there. I don't know, it comes with this plastic piece here that's supposed to help you put it on, but I've actually watched a couple of videos on that it doesn't really help all that much. But that's the number on it. And probably get that in tomorrow morning and then start putting all this back together, and hopefully we'll have a driving truck here in a day or two. Just have other things going on, but just wanted to make a quick little video here showing you just unboxing this. And if you want the part numbers on this, let's see. There's the flywheel. There's the clutch kit. And I already showed you the number for the rear main seal. So hopefully everything goes together without too much trouble, and we'll have a up and running truck here before long. I'm going to put this all back in the box. I just want to unbox it, make sure I had everything, and it looks like I do. This came that was about 5 days ago. This came pretty quick, like in 2 or 3 days. But I'm going to put it all back in the box, and we'll probably get going on this probably tomorrow morning. See how that goes. What do you think, guys? Yeah, tomorrow? I gotta mow the yard tomorrow too, so we'll see. But that's the plan as of right now. Look out, Jess. So trying to make some progress on this, and hopefully here in a day or two we'll have her up and running. Need to get some different, at least some different tires. I don't care if they're used, or probably find a set of wheels and tires online. I don't know. I know I sold a set of wheels and tires, at least I think I did last year, unless they're in the Quonset building. I I think I sold the whole set for $100, and they were in good shape, but barn was coming down and just needed to get rid of some stuff. Jody's up in the house. She's cooking up some I don't know exactly what she's doing. Some kind of chicken. Well, she was making some kind of a chicken concoction in a Instant Pot. Now it's in the crock pot. Chicken, scalloped potatoes, and I don't know what else for supper tonight. We have a cooking channel as well called The Hungry Fox. Haven't been doing a whole lot on that. Really need to get going on that. I'll link it down below in the description. But Buddy's enjoying the afternoon here. He likes to lay upside down on his back. I don't know why. Anyway, guys, I'm about done down here for the day. Gonna head up and eat here pretty soon. Box all of this stuff back up and come down in the morning, and first thing I'm going to do is get the old rear main seal out, get this one in, and then get reassembling the clutch and the transmission and all that stuff. So if you would give this video a big old thumbs up, comments go down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. We're gonna get going on this girl. Bye-bye.